Good morning. That's really loud. Sorry. Good morning and welcome to Vlogmas Day 8. Yeah, correct. Day 8. It is sometime in the afternoon. I don't know. I have my Arabic test in a few hours, and I just took a shower and I'm trying to study, and I have background noise, aka Grey's Anatomy, in the background. And yeah, today I'm wearing black pants and a black shirt, like tap shirt, because I haven't shaved, so there's that. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys later when I'm not freaking out about this exam, because I have no idea what the hell I'm doing. I look so tired. I look terrible. So I just finished taking that. I was not in shock. I just finished taking my Arabic exam, and I mean, I didn't fail. Like, so there's that. I am now finishing the note cards for my psych exam, which is tomorrow at 8, and it is currently 9:49. I have to learn so many words by 8 a.m. tomorrow, and I know none of them because I've been studying for Arabic the past 2 days. So that's what I'm currently doing, and I'm also watching Tanya Bird, because right now I'm just writing everything so that as soon as I'm done writing, I can start memorizing, which thankfully I'm good at, and everything but Arabic. But yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. Also, I got some Starbucks today to reward myself and make myself feel better, because yeah, and I also want to go study with people, but like, we're all friends, but we're not that close, so they don't know about my YouTube. And yeah, that's why I didn't vlog. I haven't vlogged at all because I've been freaking studying for everything. But tomorrow I think my sister's gonna come pick me up. So this isn't the end of the vlog. This is just me catching you up on today, because I'm so tired, guys. I don't even know what I was trying to say. I'm so tired. Like, I want to go to sleep. I'm gonna have to drink like 3 Monsters. 2 probably. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna write my note cards now and try not to fall asleep. I'm on my last note card. I'm on the last one. I'm finishing it now. Term used to describe research results in which changes in the dependent variable can be associated with a high level of confidence to changes in the independent variable chances ruled out as the explanation. And done. Now I gotta study all these. I'll learn them in 7 hours. 5:38 in the morning. My face looks terrible. And I didn't close out the vlog last night because I wasn't gonna go to sleep. And like, I literally fell asleep for 30 minutes. And so I remember my texted me, and the freaking fire alarm goes off. Like, literally goes off. And it took me so long to get out of bed and put on my shoes. Whoever, and it was whatever set off the fire alarm was on, oh my god, oh sorry, was on our floor, because how it works is like, if the fire is on like the 5th floor, the 4th and the 6th floor are evacuated, and since we're on the 7th floor, whenever something happens on our floor, the 6th floor gets evacuated, and it was only our 2 floors. So yeah, now I have to study all this. I'm glad it woke me up though, because I was not gonna wake up. Okay, so thank you guys for watching today's Vlogmas. I'll see you guys tomorrow with a new Vlogmas. I love you guys. Comment, like, subscribe. I can't think right now, guys. I'm dead. I love you guys, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Social media videos.